My life took a positive turn when a friend introduced me to the Bushra SM Memorial Foundation. Through the foundation, I gained valuable IT skills including MS Office and InPage, media skills including graphic designing, digital marketing, video editing, web development, and artificial intelligence, and also English communication skills. This institution not only improved my academic skills but also helped me to build confidence and explore new opportunities. मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा ग्रुप में बातचीत करना और मुख्तलिफ सरगर्मियों में हिस्सा लेना पसंद आई। हर तजुर्बे ने मुझे ये सीखने में मदद दी कि मैं वाकई ही किस चीज़ में दिलचस्पी रखती हूँ। What I admire most about the foundation is its supportive and the encouraging environment. The teachers are approachable and always willing to guide us. इनकी काविशों की बदौलत आज हमारे पास स्किल्स हैं और एतमाद है कि हम अपने मकासद के बारे में पुरउम्मीद और वाज़ह तरीके से बात कर सकें। I am deeply grateful to the Bushra SM Memorial Foundation for its immense contribution to my personal and professional growth. The impact it has had on my life is invaluable. I will always cherish the lessons I have learned here. Thank you so much to the Bushra SM Memorial Foundation.